Howdy, y'all, and welcome to Dakota Daydreams. I'm Dakota, and today we're going behind the scenes for episode 3. Now, the first time we went behind the scenes, I explained how I make videos. And then the next time, I explained the parts I found to be the hardest about this journey. Today, I'd like to start going through the steps and doing sort of a 101 of tips and tricks that I've picked up as I go through the content creation journey. And if anyone has any questions, please, please, please leave them down below in the comments, and I'll add a Q&A on to the next video. Today, we're starting with recording 101. Now, the first thing when it comes to recording is to know your subject, because it's going to change how you take the video and even how you may capture your audio, depending on what you're trying to capture. For example, something stationary like this clip art landmark that I'm not even sure is real, but aside from the point, it's stationary. You have as much time as you need to move around the landmark, take the pictures you need, do an audio, and the landmark's going to be the exact same, no matter how many times you stand there and retry. Because sure, landmarks change eventually, but not rapidly enough for it to be relevant in filming. So you can have a little more freedom with getting your audio and video at the same time if you're filming something stationary. However, if what you're filming is a little bit more like this clip art chicken, you're going to be moving around and trying to get the subject to do what you're wanting it to on film at the same time as you're filming. And generally, in the course of the universe, especially if you look at it from the perspective of the chicken, that's not going to work too great. So, generally, what helps with non stationary, moving, living subjects is to get clips and videos and pieces and then put the audio back over it so you can get the pieces of video that you were wanting to show close to the order you were wanting to show without losing major chunks of the story that you're trying to share with us because your subject wasn't cooperating. Now, for shorts, you're going to be filming vertically with your camera located on one of the sides at the top of your phone. Generally, I have difficulty trying to make sure my fingers aren't over the camera no matter which way I'm filming. So try to make yourself a visual similar to this that you can have in front of you while you're looking at the viewfinder, not the back of the phone where the camera is. Because that's what's helped me a lot. Recording for longer videos can be a little bit trickier with the camera location, just because it can be on either side, because you can technically make your phone horizontal either way. And I've noticed that I have to stay aware of which side I have my phone horizontal, because the side the camera's on is going to affect the angles you have to hold it at to capture light and everything you're wanting to share. So I've tried to make myself little graphics just to remind myself, hey, the camera could be on either side. Make sure I know which one it's on so I can angle my video best. And for the audio, I've definitely noticed that it comes out better the calmer I am when I'm trying to record. If I have to take clips throughout the week and put the audio on after, that is okay because it generates a better finished video that I am happier with. However you collect your audio is also okay. It's only about finding the way that generates a quality you're happy with on the replay before you post it. And honestly, I've found personally that just taking a moment to calm myself down and go over everything that I've been doing helps me deliver an audio and story throughout the video that I feel a connection with, and I feel like I've shared a piece of me with everyone that's viewing and sharing that journey with me. So, whether you get your audio at the same time as your videos or in post production, I definitely feel like my best tips would be calm when you're speaking to everyone. Find something that gives you a sense of inner peace and hold on to it while you're doing that. And don't stress. If something's not coming out right and you're having difficulty sharing it that week, maybe it's for next week. I know I've had several things like that where every time I tried to sit down and record, I would be stumbling over my own words. And then I would just take a breath and be like, hey, this can be a story for another time all by itself. And that's okay. Because the point of this journey is to have fun and then to capture the fun and share it and show everybody all of the different ways there are to enjoy everything there is. And I think that is my favorite part of making and sharing the videos, is just how much fun there is to be had and shared, and fun is free. Thank you for dreaming with me. I hope this helps you capture your dreams and fun on film. And if I missed something or I'm taking a detail for granted, which is very possible, please leave a comment down below and let me know what I missed or what you would like to see me go over in recording 102. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep your head in the clouds.